guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am planting some fall bulbs. I actually just went to the store the other day and happened to see some at Aldi's. So I grabbed them. I wasn't gonna plant anything originally because I'm not quite sure what's already around in the yard, and I didn't want to plant what I didn't need to plant. But because these bulbs were so cheap, I decided to go ahead and buy them, and then I'm going to plant them in a little small area, and then hopefully next year there'll be a lot of other cool things around the yard. We moved in here the first week of June, so that's like end of spring, right before summer. Sorry, it's loud here as usual, but a lot of the early spring stuff most likely already bloomed and died off, so we'll see. There were a couple of things that did bloom late over on this side over here, but I'm not quite sure what it was. Some of them I dug up and I put them in the house for storage, so I might force some of them over winter just to have some indoor blooms early, but we'll see. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys the area that I'm going to plant, and then the bulbs I'm going to plant, and then I'll plant them. Okay, so here are the bulbs that I found. And I'll show you right here. Let's see if I can get that. So we've got a gold bulb basket of yellow blooming things, daffodils, crocus, and tulips. So I'll show you guys that. Hopefully you can see that. And these were both from Aldi's. And then I got this little bag of alliums. And these guys grow under 3 feet. So they're over 2 feet, but just under 3 feet. I think it's 30 inches tall. So I'm going to plant all these things together. Plant all these together and then have some pops of the purple and the white alliums. Alright, and the space that I'm going to plant in is right here. It's kind of this space here. Follow it there. This place has some hostas, and this is 2 little salvias. I got these guys on clearance from Walmart for like $1.97. So there's one, and there's the other salvia. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started placing my bulbs. planting all of the bulbs that I had. There were 50 bulbs, besides the two that the toddler took, and I don't know what she did with them, but so 48 bulbs I planted. It was pretty hard work actually, because my ground has a lot of rock, because they added rock like around this area here and over there. They kind of had it as rock garden with a couple hostas. So all that rock, after time, is kind of mixed in with the soil, so it was very difficult to dig down. I was kind of like, my arm was getting tired and I had to sit down for a minute, but anyways, I made it through. And I don't know if you guys do this too, but I usually keep these things, and when I get like house plants or outdoor plants, like I'll keep the tags so I can remember exactly what I'm growing, and when to expect it to bloom and all that kind of thing, because I can't remember everything. So I keep this, I'll keep these and refer back to them. I'll keep these and refer back to them whenever I have questions, and I'll often refer back to my plant tags if I, am wondering any sort of information about my plants and I don't feel like looking it up, or if I don't remember the name of my plant, the plant tag usually has like a picture of what the plant looks like, and then I'll, remember the name. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.